Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our institution's Safety Officer Interviews question and answer training videos.
Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Today I will teach you what is hazard definition and explanation. First definition. A hazard is anything that may cause harm. Second definition. Hazard is any source of potential damage, harm or adverse health effects on something or someone.
What are the types of hazards?
1. Physical. 2. Chemical. 3. Ergonomic. 4. Radiation. 5. Psychological. 6. Biological.
What are the physical hazard?
Slippery floors, objects in walkways, unsafe or misused machinery, excessive noise, poor lighting, fire. What are the chemical hazard? Gases, dusts, fumes, vapors and liquids.
What are the ergonomic hazard?
Poor design of equipment, workstation design, postural or workflow, manual handling, repetitive movement. What are the radiation hazard? Microwaves, infrared, ultraviolet, lasers, X-rays and gamma rays.
What are the psychological hazard?
Shift work, workload, dealing with the public, harassment, discrimination, threat of danger, constant low-level noise, stress.
What are the biological hazard?
Infection by bacteria, virus, fungi or parasites through a cut, insect bite, or contact with infected persons or contaminated object.
How do you identify a hazard?
1. Identify the hazard by carrying out a workplace risk assessment. 2. Determine how employees might be at risk. 3. Evaluate the risks. 4. Record and review hazards at least annually, or earlier if something changes.
What is the purpose of hazard identification?
The purpose of this procedure is to ensure there is a formal process for hazard identification and risk assessment which will effectively manage the hazards that may occur within the workplace. This procedure applies to all Preston Hire staff, contractors and visitors of Preston Hire.
What's a health hazard?
The term health hazard includes chemicals which are carcinogens, toxic or highly toxic agents, reproductive toxins, irritants, corrosives, sensitizers, hepatotoxins, nephrotoxins, neurotoxins, agents which act on the hematopoietic system, and agents which damage the lungs, skin, eyes, or mucous membranes.
How do you control hazards?
Most effective hazard controls. The best way to protect workers is to remove or eliminate the hazard from the workplace using the following hazard control methods. Substitution. Substitute dangerous chemicals, equipment or work methods with safer and less hazardous ones to eliminate a hazard altogether.
What are the types of occupational diseases?
1. Lung disease. 2. Lead poisoning. 3. Radiation illness. 4. Skin diseases. 5. Carpal tunnel syndrome. 6. Computer vision syndrome.
What is hazard category?
MIS 2015 applies to two major groups of hazards, physical and health. Each hazard group includes hazard classes that have specific hazardous properties. Physical hazards group, based on the physical or chemical properties of the product, such as flammability, reactivity, or corrosivity to metals. Please give comment and suggestions. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class. Thank you.